Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit new, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your phone. First, you will need to open the HUAWEI Health app on your phone. In the app, tap on the Devices option right here. Select your HUAWEI Watch Fit from the list of devices. On this page, tap on this icon right here in the top right corner to open the menu. Select the option called Unpair Device, and then tap on Unpair. The device should disappear from the list of devices, and also you can check the Bluetooth settings just to be sure. So let's open the Bluetooth settings. Here, let's tap on See All to see all the devices connected to this phone. And as you can see, the watch is not on this list. That means that the device was unpaired from our phone. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.